Alright, watch this clip carefully. This YouTuber is scraping wax from an apple and placing it on a slide and putting it under a microscope. Then he claims these structures you're seeing are living microorganisms inside the wax. This video has gone viral and many people believe apples contain microbes trapped in the wax. But is that actually true? Let's test this properly. So I repeated the exact same experiment. I scraped the wax from an apple, placed it on a clean glass slide and covered it properly after adding a drop of water. This is the wax under the microscope. What you are seeing here are irregular wax particles, solid, uneven and non-moving. Microorganisms like bacteria or protozoa have defined shapes, membranes and often movement. But wax is just a hydrophobic coating. There is no water, no nutrients and no environment for life. These shiny or grainy structures may look alive, but they don't move, divide or respond. This is a very common microscope mistake, confusing debris or crystal for microbes. So no, this is not life. This is just wax. And always verify before believing microscope videos online.